Hi and welcome back to our series of how-to videos on Magento. Today we're going to discuss the process of adding user roles to Magento and allocating users to those roles. And you do that by clicking on System Permissions and then going into Roles. Now you can see that I've actually already set up a few roles here. By default, the administrator is a role in Magento, and which cannot be actually deleted. And what you need to do is, well, if you get to a situation where you have more than one person entering data into Magento, then it soon becomes apparent that you need to start restricting access to certain areas of Magento for the integrity of, for the security of Magento, basically. So obviously, if you had sales staff needing reports, etc., you don't want them to have access to the system areas of Magento. Perhaps you don't want them to obviously be able to enter or delete products, etc. So you can give them very restrictive access to just this, the reporting areas of the website. Likewise, with data entry operators, you want to restrict their access to just purely data entry. You might not want them to have access to the overall sales, etc. on the website, and definitely not to be able to go into the system areas of Magento. So it becomes very important as soon as you start to have more than one or two people, obviously, having access to Magento, to start nailing down your security. And you do that by creating user roles. Now, what we're going to do is just go through the very simple process of creating a new role, and you do that by clicking on the button here, Add New Role, on the right hand side. You enter a role name, and then you allocate resources to that particular role. So depending on, if it was sales staff, for instance, we might say that we only want them to have access to reporting areas within Magento. And so basically you just need to find reports, and you would simply highlight the reports that you wish them to be able to have access to. There may be some reports that you don't want them to have access here. You simply just unclick those particular reports. Okay, and once you've decided that that's the the access level that you want that particular role to have, you simply just save the role. Now, assuming that we've already created our role here, we now need to allocate users to those roles, and you do that by going into permissions users. Say we're going to add a new user here for the sake of it, and you would enter in the username, the first and last name, their email address, a password. Obviously, save it. You want to obviously have it active, and then you simply select the role level in which you wish that particular user to have, and that's how you nail down security in Magento. And thank you for watching.